In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create a zip files on a Windows laptop or a Windows PC. This is super simple to do, so we're going to dive straight into this. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. To get started, go ahead and locate whatever you want to go ahead and compress into a zip file. Let's just go ahead and say that I want to do these two files right here just for the sake of it. You could do folders as well, so we'll add this folder in there too. Once you found them, simply go ahead and just highlight over all of them and then right click on any of them to open up a page that looks like this. We're going to see a compress to section. Select that and then hover over all these options and then select zip file. It's going to go ahead and immediately create that zip file for you and you'll be good to go. Now, if you ever want to open the zip file or extract the files, just right click on it and you're going to see, extract all. Go ahead and select that and then it's going to extract them onto a folder on your desktop as well. Yeah, it really is as simple as that. This is super easy to do here on a Windows laptop or PC. If you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.